Today we're counting down some truly eye-opening facts about sleep that will leave you rethinking your nightly routine. Number 20. You can dream in black and white. While most people dream in color, about 12% of the population experiences their dreams in black and white. Interestingly, this was far more common before the advent of color TV, suggesting that our environment influences how we dream. If you grew up surrounded by black and white media, it's more likely that your brain mirrors that aesthetic during sleep. Number 19. Sleep deprivation can alter your DNA. Skipping out on sleep doesn't just leave you groggy, it can actually change the way your genes express themselves. Studies show that prolonged lack of rest can affect genes linked to inflammation, immune response, and even stress regulation. It's a startling reminder of just how interconnected sleep is with our overall health. Number 18. Humans are the only species that willingly delay sleep. In the animal kingdom, sleep is instinctual, but humans have a unique ability to resist it. Whether it's scrolling through social media or binge-watching a favorite show, we often sacrifice sleep for entertainment. This behavior is not only unnatural, but has long-term effects on our cognitive and physical well-being. Number 17. Your body temporarily paralyzes itself during dreams. Ever woken up from a vivid dream and found yourself unable to move for a few seconds? That's called sleep paralysis, a natural mechanism designed to prevent you from physically acting out your dreams. While unsettling, it's actually your body's way of keeping you safe while you sleep. Number 16. Napping improves memory and creativity. A short 20-30-minute nap can work wonders for your brain. Studies suggest that napping not only boosts your memory but also enhances problem-solving skills and creativity. Even iconic thinkers like Leonardo da Vinci and Albert Einstein swore by the power of a good midday snooze. Number 15. Dreams can last just seconds or up to an hour. While it may feel like your dreams stretch on for hours, most last anywhere between 5 and 20 minutes. However, during longer periods of REM sleep, dreams can last up to an hour. The wild part? You only remember about 10% of your dreams when you wake up, if you're lucky. Number 14. Blue light wreaks havoc on your sleep. Exposure to blue light from screens suppresses melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. This can delay your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep. So, putting your phone down before bed isn't just advice, it's a sleep game changer. Number 13. Sleepwalking isn't limited to walking. While the term sleepwalking conjures up images of someone shuffling around in pajamas, parasomnia, the umbrella term for sleep disorders, covers much more. Sleepwalkers have been known to cook, drive, and even engage in conversations, all while completely unaware. Number 12. The Guinness World Record for staying awake is 11 days. In 1964, Randy Gardner stayed awake for 264 hours as part of a science experiment. While he suffered from hallucinations and memory lapses, he remarkably recovered fully after catching up on sleep. The record stands as a warning. Staying awake that long is extremely dangerous and not something anyone should attempt. Number 11. Lucid dreaming is a learnable skill. Lucid dreaming, or being aware you're dreaming while still in the dream, is a phenomenon that's fascinated people for centuries. With practice, through techniques like reality checks and dream journaling, some people can train themselves to control their dreams, shaping them like a movie script. Number 10. Sleep cleans your brain. During sleep, your brain goes through a remarkable cleaning process. Cerebrospinal fluid flows through the brain, flushing out toxins and metabolic waste that accumulate during the day. This brainwashing helps prevent neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and keeps your mind sharp. Number 9. Animals have wild sleep habits. Dolphins sleep with one half of their brain awake so they can surface for air. Giraffes, on the other hand, only sleep about 30 minutes a day in short bursts. Meanwhile, the humble sloth takes the crown for sleepiest mammal, clocking in around 15 to 20 hours of shut-eye each day. Number 8. Dreams aren't always in real time. Time in dreams can feel warped. A dream that seems to last hours may take just minutes in real life. Scientists believe this happens because the brain processes thoughts and images faster during REM sleep, creating a time dilation effect. Number 7. Snoring can signal bigger health problems. While snoring can be harmless, chronic snoring might point to sleep apnea, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. If left untreated, it can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious health issues. Number 6. Sleep deprivation can mimic being drunk. Pulling an all-nighter? After 24 hours without sleep, your cognitive performance drops to the equivalent of having a blood alcohol level of 0.17%. Reaction times, decision-making, and focus take a major hit, making tasks like driving extremely dangerous. Number 5. You're more likely to die from sleep deprivation than starvation. While the body can survive without food for weeks, extreme sleep deprivation can prove fatal in as little as 11 days. Sleep is essential for regulating body systems, and prolonged lack of it can lead to organ failure, hallucinations, and even death. Number 4. Your sleeping position says a lot about you. According to sleep studies, your preferred sleeping position might reveal personality traits. For example, people who sleep in the fetal position are often described as sensitive but tough, while back sleepers tend to be confident and open. Who knew your posture could be so telling? Number 3. Sleep improves athletic performance. Elite athletes like LeBron James and Serena Williams prioritize sleep as much as training. Studies show that athletes who get ample rest perform better, recover faster, and reduce the risk of injury. Sleep is the real MVP when it comes to peak performance. Number 2. The 8-hour rule isn't one size fits all. Though 8 hours is the golden standard, some people thrive on less sleep, while others need much more. Genetics play a role in determining your sleep sweet spot. What matters most is finding the amount of rest that leaves you feeling refreshed and ready for the day. Number 1. You spend 1/3 of your life asleep. By the time you're 75, you'll have spent about 25 years sleeping. While that might seem like a lot, it's not wasted time. Your body is hard at work repairing tissues, consolidating memories, and keeping you alive. Sleep isn't just rest, it's life's ultimate reboot. And that's a wrap on these eye-opening facts about sleep. From how it shapes our health to its quirky mysteries, sleep is so much more than a nightly ritual. It's a cornerstone of life itself. If you loved learning about the science and secrets of sleep, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in your dreams. Well, maybe.